Question number 1. Which of the following organ is responsible for mechanical digestion? The right answer is option B. Stomach. Question 2. Which enzyme in saliva help in carbohydrate digestion? Option A. Pepsin, B. Amylase, C. Trypsin, D. Lipase. But the right answer is option B. Amylase. Question 3. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? The right answer is option C. Red blood cell production. Question 4. The primary site of nutrient absorption is option A. Stomach, B. Small intestine, C. Large intestine, D. Esophagus. But the right answer is option B. Small intestine. Question 5. Which of the following structure prevent food from entering the trachea? The right answer is option A. Epiglottis. Question 6. Which acid is present in gastric juice? Option A. Sulfuric acid, B. Hydrochloric acid, C. Nitric acid, D. Acetic acid. But the right answer is option B. Hydrochloric acid. Question 7. Pepsin is responsible for digesting. Option A. Protein, B. Fat, C. Carbohydrate, D. Nucleic acid. But the right answer is option A. Proteins. Question 8. Which hormone stimulate the release of gastric juice? The right answer is option A. Gastrin. Question 9. Which part of the digestive system absorb water and electrolytes? Option A. Stomach, B. Small intestine, C. Large intestine, D. Pancreas. But the right answer is option C. Large intestine. Question 10. The finger-like projection in the small intestine that increase surface area are called. The right answer is option B. Villi. Question 11. Which organ produce bile? Option A. Stomach, B. Liver, C. Pancreas, D. Gallbladder. But the right answer is option B. Liver. Question 12. Which organ store bile? Option A. Liver, B. Gallbladder, C. Pancreas, D. Small intestine. But the right answer is option D. Small intestine. Question 13. The process of breaking down food into simpler substance is called. The right answer is option B. Digestion. Question 14. Where does most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients occur? Option A. Stomach, B. Small intestine, C. Large intestine, D. Esophagus. But the right answer is option B. Small intestine. Question 15. Which of the following is a function of the pancreas? The right answer is option A. Producing insulin. Question 16. The enzyme that digests fats is called. Option A. Lipase, amylase, B. Lipase, C. Pepsin, D. maltase. But the right answer is option B. Lipase. Question 17. The longest part of the digestive tract is the. Option A. Small stomach, B. Large intestine, D. Small intestine, D. Esophagus. But the right answer is option C. Small intestine. Question 18. The primary function of the large intestine is option A. Digestion of protein, B. Absorption of nutrient, C. Absorption of water, D. Breaking down of carbohydrate. But the right answer is option C. Absorption of water. Question 19. What is the function of mucus in the stomach? Option A. Break down protein, neutralize acid, C. Protect the stomach lining, D. Absorb nutrient. But the right answer is option C. Protect the stomach lining. Question 20. Which organ is responsible for insulin secretion? Option A, liver, B, stomach, C, pancreas, D, large intestine. But the right answer is option C, pancreas. Question 21. Which of the following is not part of the digestive system? The right answer is option C, kidney. Question 22. What is the pH of the stomach? Option A 7, B 2, C 5, D 8. But the right answer is option B 2. Question 23. The involuntary movement of food through the esophagus is called option A digestion, B peristalsis, C absorption, D defecation. But the right answer is option B peristalsis. Question 24. What is the primary function of bile? Option A digest carbohydrate, emulsify fat, C breakdown of protein, D absorb water. But the right answer is option B emulsify fats. Question 25. Which enzyme is not secreted by the pancreas? Option A trypsin, B pepsin, C lipase, D amylase. But the right answer is option B pepsin. Question 26. The opening at the end of the digestive tract is called option A urethra, B anus, C rectum, D colon. But the right answer is option B anus. Question 27. Which of the following is a salivary gland? Option A pancreas, B parotid gland, C liver, D gallbladder. But the right answer is option B parotid gland. Question 28. What is the main function of the stomach? Option A absorption of nutrient, B digestion of protein, C digestion of fat, D absorption of water. But the right answer is option B digestion of protein. Question 29. Which part of the small intestine is responsible for the most digestion? The right answer is option A duodenum. Question 30. Which of the following is a protein digesting enzyme? Option A trypsin, B amylase, C lipase, D maltase. But the right answer is option A trypsin. Question 31. Which vitamin is synthesized in the large intestine? Option A vitamin A, B vitamin B12, C vitamin K, D vitamin D. But the right answer is option C vitamin K. Question 32. The enzyme that breaks down lactose is option A maltase, B saccharase, C lactase, D amylase. But the right answer is option C lactase. Question 33. Which of the following is an accessory organ of digestion? Option A stomach, B small intestine, C liver, D esophagus. But the right answer is option C liver. Question 34. The process of expelling waste material from the rectum is called. The right answer is option C defecation. Question 35. Which of the following is not a function of saliva? The right answer is option D digestion of protein. Question 36. The hardest substance in the human body is. The right answer is option A animal. Question 37. The pancreas releases digestive enzyme into which part of the small intestine? Option A duodenum, B jejunum, C ileum, D colon. But the right answer is option A duodenum. Question 38. Which hormone stimulate the release of bile? The right answer is option C cholecystokinin. Question 39. Which of the following organ is responsible for detoxification? Option A stomach, B liver, C pancreas, D small intestine. But the right answer is option B liver. Question 40. Which type of muscle is found in the digestive tract? Option A skeletal muscle, B smooth muscle, C cardiac muscle, D voluntary muscle. But the right answer is option B smooth muscles. Question 41. Which part of the digestive system has an acidic pH? Option A mouth, B esophagus, C stomach, D small intestine. But the right answer is option C stomach. Question 42. Which part of the large intestine is connected to the small intestine? Option A rectum, B colon, C cecum, D anus. But the right answer is option C cecum. Question 43. What is the name of the valve that controls food passage from the stomach to the small intestine? The right answer is option A pyloric sphincter. Question 44. Which type of digestion occurs in the mouth? The right answer is option C, both mechanical and chemical. Question 45. The primary function of the esophagus is? The right answer is option C, transport of food. Question 46. What is the primary function of the gallbladder? Option A produce bile, B store bile, C digest fats, D produce digestive enzyme. But the right answer is option B store bile. Question 47. The final breakdown of carbohydrate occurs in the option A stomach, B small intestine, C large intestine, D liver. But the right answer is option B small intestine. Question 48. Which of the following is not a digestive enzyme? Option A pepsin, B trypsin, C insulin, D amylase. But the right answer is option C insulin. Question 49. Which of the following is absorbed into the lymphatic system rather than the bloodstream? Option A protein, B carbohydrates, C fats, D vitamin. But the right answer is option C fats. Question 50, the last one. The main function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach is to? The right answer is option B kill bacteria and activate pepsin.